go. Right, so hello again. Okay, so let's start first with with one of the major announcement that you guys need to hear. So if you guys are going to take a look at the exam schedule, so your final exam will be on November 29th. So if you guys are going to check the date right now, it's already November 15th. So supposedly, like 1 week per module, right? Like we still have 3 weeks, but that is not the case in finals since I don't know. It's like exactly 3 weeks, and then we have already consumed one meeting. Okay, wherein we didn't use that one to start with the finals. We've actually used that meeting to extend 1 day for the final. I mean, for the midterm exam to those who wasn't able to take the midterm exams. So that is why we are now a bit in rush with things right now. So we know exactly have 2 weeks before your final exam. So that is why on your week 4 and week 5. So we will just consider the week 4 and week 5 for the activities. Okay. So there will be no activities anymore for week 6 so that you guys will be able to finish everything in time. Okay. So anyway, there's actually only like 6 activities. So we have 3 quiz. So I hope you guys have already checked this one, the week 4. So we have 3 quizzes for the week 4, and then one is study as usual. And then in here, one quiz, of course, which is this one. So I haven't finished fixing this one yet, but yeah, once this one is finished, so it will look the same with this week 4. So I haven't created the case study in here yet. So we have one dish activity, which comprises of 6 activities in total. And then there is no activities anymore in week 6. But I will still publish this one. So there is 3 remaining modules that you guys need to check since this one is part of your final exam. Okay. So we not only have fewer activities, so 6 activities only before your final exam. So are we clear so far regarding with the activities since we're
Yes,
behind
sir.
the center? So anyway, for the 4 activities, it's already in here, and then just 2 more activities next meeting. So yeah, I will publish this one already next meeting. So today is Monday, so this will be published on Thursday. So that you can still have 1 week, to finish the activities only. So if you guys need extension, so I can maybe extend everything, okay, until before your final exam. So let's just see that you guys have exactly 2 weeks for all of the given activities. Okay, so that is the least I can do to you guys since we not only have 2 weeks. Okay. Anyway, so for the week 4, of course, everything's still the same. So you will see here the modules. We have 2 modules for this one. So we have the main memory and then the virtual memory. Yeah, and then we have the videos of those PDFs, okay, or presentation. So we have here the video for memory management or main memory, so they're just the same. And then we have here the videos for the virtual memory. Okay. And then in here, I'll upload here later the recorded Zoom meeting. So this is only for the students who wasn't able to attend the meeting. Okay. And then you guys have here practice exercises. So 4 practice exercises for memory management, and then 4 practice exercises for virtual memory. And after that, you're going to have 2 quizzes for main memory or memory management. Okay, so we have 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. And we have 1 quiz for the virtual memory. Okay, and then 1 case study as usual. So were you guys able to follow the week 4 so far?
Yes, sir.
So just in case, so there are some cases wherein you guys, students at Canvas cannot open this one properly, the PDF. So just let me know. because in my case, I can view it, really fine. It's working on me. Okay, so I can view it on my canvas. But in some cases, students' canvas cannot use this one. So maybe I just need to re-upload the file itself so that you guys can view the file itself. Well, anyway, if there are some cases like that, so just let me know so that I can fix this one as soon as possible. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now for the week 4. And then our last agenda will be the top 10 highest score in midtermism. So here are the top 10 score. So take note, scorer only in midterm exam. So we have number 1. So Mr. Palawelo Sigun got a score of 61 out of 75. So congratulations, Mr. Sigun. So you are really doing good in this subject. So top 2 is Mr. Bukat Julumart. He got a score of 60. And then we have Mr. Sarmento Enrique third. He got a score of 59. And then we have top 4, which is Miss Kapan Giselle Kate. She got a score of 59. And then we have Mr. Mendoza Kiana Johan. He got a score of 57. And then Miss Gabaldon Lia, she got a score of 56. And then we have Mr. Labsan for top 7. Lawrence Jen, he got a score of 55. Mr. Alburo John Francis got a score of 54. Miss Garcia Sophia Nicole got a score of 53. And then Mr. Martinez Cinder James got a score of 51. Okay. So the score is not that far from top 1, top 10. So this is 10 points only. And then top 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 super close, like 1 point, 60, 59, 59, 76, 55, 4, 53, and 55. So congratulations to our top 10 highest scorer. So do you guys agree with this one? Anyone who disagree? Any violent reaction? Okay, so everything's good. So maybe I might have missed your name. So maybe your name is like your score is actually like 58. Okay, but your name is not here. So just let me know, okay? So yeah, that's only it for today, since everything is already made. So anyone who has a question or clarification so far? No? Are you guys still around?
None, sir.
No questions, sir.
Answer.
So that's good then. So just in case that you have a question regarding with that module, with this module, with this activity, so just let me know, okay? Just message me as soon as you have a question so that I can reply as soon as I read your message. Sometimes the maximum waiting time is 1 day or 2 days. So there are some cases like that because in our area right now is like having internet issues. So there are times that we don't have internet connection. So that's why I cannot check the canvas. Anyway, so yeah, it's only for today. So if ever that I have additional announcement, so maybe I'll just announce it via the announcement. All right then. So, okay. So meeting adjourned. So as usual, thank you guys for coming. So I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So again, if you have questions, so just let me know. Right? So thank you. So you guys may go now and happy lunch and then keep safe.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir.